Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Pentagon and the secrets of the U.S. military headquarters. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is the Pentagon located in Washington, D.C.? No, it is in Arlington, Virginia, near Washington, D.C. Was the Pentagon built during World War I? No, it was built during World War II. Does the Pentagon have 5 sides and 5 floors? Yes, it has 5 sides, 5 floors, and 5 concentric rings. Can it take more than an hour to walk from one side of the Pentagon to the other? No, you can walk between any 2 points in about 7 minutes. Did the Pentagon originally have a different design? No, it was designed with 5 sides to fit the original land site. Does the Pentagon have a shopping mall and post office inside? Yes, it has several services for employees inside. Was the Pentagon attacked on September 11th, 2001? Yes, one of the hijacked planes crashed into it. Is there a memorial for 9/11 victims at the Pentagon? Yes, a memorial honors those who lost their lives. Does the Pentagon serve as the headquarters of the U.S. Congress? No, it is the headquarters of the Department of Defense. Is the Pentagon's unique shape helpful for organization and navigation? Yes, the design helps reduce walking distance and improve efficiency. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.